Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I will be having a tutorial on how to create the new 3D Kisses box from scrapdivadesigns.com. Guys, this new die set is going to be available November the 12th. Mark your calendars. This is sneak peek start November the 6th. I think I'm going to be uploading this the day after that. So November the 12th is the date. Make sure you guys mark your calendars, guys, because things sell out very quickly, and with the tariffs going on, these things are not going to be restocked as fast as they typically would. So if you see anything in the release, I'm going to link the release video down below, because I believe I'm going to be once again uploading this the day after, so you guys can check it out if you missed it. Don't forget to use code Poochie10 so you can save 10% off your entire purchase on scrapdivadesigns.com. This is such a cute die set, guys. There's going to be so many cute ones that you're going to want to grab the entire release. Once again, if there's something that you got your eye on, grab it so you don't have to wait. And you can have your sets as soon as they come in. So this is what this die set looks like, the 3D Kisses box. It is so cute. And basically it's a cute little box for you to put some little Hershey's Kisses in. Or you can use this for many other things like little embellishments, little cabochons, little beads. It's pretty spacious, okay? Even though it's got that triangular shape to it. So it basically comes with a belly band and some accessories to decorate it. And then the actual box, which you would slide off your belly band. The one that I'm going to create with you guys, I'm going to use a Velcro so you guys can see the two different looks. And then you open it up and it has, like I said, it's pretty spacious. It's designed to fit the Hershey's Kisses in case you want to gift some for Christmas, for Valentine's Day, anything. This die set is going to be very versatile. You're going to be able to use it for many things. So I glued it together and made a belly band with the first one. But again, so you'll just slide it over and it'll keep your box closed. Again, you can fill this with so many things, guys. Little cabochons. You can do like a little embellishment box with this and put a bunch of little knickknacks and beads and just all kind of things. Pom-poms. You can fill it with whatever your heart desires. Like I said, it's pretty spacious. So this is my prototype. I just stamped it because I just used white cardstock. And I just stamped some bows around it just to see, you know, what it looks like and how to put it together. So this is really simple to put together. Let me share with you guys how to do it. You're going to die cut this piece here, which is the main piece, and you're going to cut this out once. Everything you're going to cut out once. You're going to cut out your belly band. This is your belly band. It also comes with this piece. I almost forgot about this piece, so I just die cut it as an aftermath. And I think that, like, you would, I don't know, I think that you would glue it here, and if you wanted to do a different look and not the bow, maybe is what I'm thinking. But you can use this for a cute little tag. This is the perfect shape to do like a cute little sentiment, like to stamp a cute sentiment. So you got that piece there, and then I went ahead and I die cut the bow. You get a base for the bow, and then you get a layering piece for the bow set. Let's go ahead and punch these little pieces out. So your bow is gonna layer up really cute. You also get a center for your bow if you like, which is this oval piece that you can put there. But as you can see, I stuck that heart. You get a huge heart that I like. I like how it looks jumbo on there. And then you also get a little plate that cuts out 6 little tiny hearts that you can embellish the belly band with, or the bow, whatever your heart desires. All right, so let's get started. Let's create our box. So when you're cutting this, you guys, there's one rectangle and then there's the tabs, right? So if you're using directional paper like I'm using here, you want to make sure that it is in the right direction where the 2 rectangles are. So I hope that makes sense. We have a rectangle here with the tabs. Make sure that it's lined up correct on the one that has the 2 rectangles, not the one. Okay, so don't die cut it this way because it'll be upside down. All right, now we're just gonna fold on the score lines. And by the way, I am using Gingerbread Christmas, I believe is what it's called. I'm gonna link it down below. It's her gingerbread themed paper collection that came out in October. Guys, it just restocked and it would not be restocked again. So if you had your eyes on this paper, you need to snatch it. I'm gonna be sharing a lot of projects with this. This is what I've been mainly playing with the some of the October release, and now for November, I'm using a lot of this collection. So definitely snatch it if you can while it's restocked. All right, so there goes the score. We scored all 4 of those. Let's go ahead and do the sides. So we're gonna score straight here, straight away here, straight away on these little tabs. We're gonna fold these on the inside. When I die cut this, when I saw it, I was like, how do you put this together? What is this? I wasn't sure what it quite looked like. But because it has like these little gussets right here, I'm like, okay, I get it now. So fold these in on both sides. And this might be a little hard to tell, but there is a triangle here. There's a line here and a line here. You're gonna bend these in, okay? Fold those in. Because you wanna basically create this little gusset on the side, okay guys? So fold that in. Same thing here. Would that be folding the in or out? You guys get what I mean. And that's all there is to it, you guys. And then you're just gonna go ahead and glue these little tabs right next to the rectangles that are next to it. Okay, so we'll just glue this side. Let me get my bone folder in there and really get a really good bond. This is such a cute box. Like I said, guys, the possibilities are endless on what you can put in here. You don't have to just put kisses. This is a great gift if you want to like show off your craftiness to your coworkers. Little grab bags. You can put these as stocking stuffers and fill them with kisses or any other candies that will fit in here. So let's go ahead and get these glued on. You just need a little bit of glue on the tab. You can use tape if you like, whatever. If you're a wet glue person or a tape, whichever one. Use whatever adhesive you want to use, but just make sure that you adhere this really well. All right, almost there. So there goes your box here. And as you can see, it opens up like this. It opens wide when you open it, okay? So you just want to make sure that you bend this and you close it like so. Don't glue it shut, okay? Because you want to open this. And then you can put your belly band. So this is a belly band piece. And there are, it's probably hard to tell with this paper, but there are 1, 2, 3 score marks. So fold all 3. There's one here. There is one here. And then there's one here, okay? And this piece here is stitched. It's got that nice stitching. So just like that, guys, is how your belly band is gonna go, okay? So let's go ahead and do our bow. You know, this is my favorite part here, guys. If you don't know me, I love bows. Obsessed with bows. All the bows. I need to have all the bows. And I'm always happy when she adds a bow to any of her die sets. And there's some amazing bows in this new release, by the way. Okay, so we're gonna stick this big old heart here. It looks really cute. I like the way it looks on this bow. But if you don't, you can just go ahead and go with the regular center, or you can glue your own center. But I'm gonna go with this one. Look at how cute that is. Adorable. And then we're gonna go ahead and glue this to here. So it lines up perfectly. And so that's why I'm not sure where this goes. Like, I guess you can glue it on the inside, or if you don't want to do the bow, you can just go ahead and glue this and put a sentiment. Totally up to you. I would honestly use this as a little cute tag. All right, so let's glue this on here. let me know down below if you're going to be grabbing this die set, if it's on your list. If you love gifting things, guys, this is a great die set to have in your stash once again. Awesome for little knickknacks and the kisses. All right. So now what I did with the other one is I just lined this up, and I would suggest gluing if you're going to glue it, attach it once it's all put together so that you have enough room. You don't want to glue it too tight. You want to have a little bit of room so they can slide easily on and off if you do the belly band by gluing it, okay? But basically, you're going to go ahead and wrap it around. And I'm going to go for a Velcro this time. So I think I'm going to go this route right here. I'm going to fold this one. So I'm just holding it all together. But before that, let me get my Velcro ready. You can do a magnet closure if you like, guys. It's totally up to you. Honestly, I would just glue it. Just make sure you don't glue it too tight so that belly band can slide on and off. All right, so I got my little Velcros. And I always like to add a little bit of wet glue to these. So now I'm gonna hold it all together. Let's glue this side down first. And then I'm gonna add some more glue here. And then I'm gonna close it like so. And you wanna give that some time to dry. But how adorable is this little Kisses 3D box, guys? So cute. Fill it with chocolates and your babies are gonna be so happy, or your grandbabies, or your nieces and nephews, or even some co-workers. If y'all wanna make one of these and send me a bunch of stuff in there, you can do that too. You can throw some money in here. You can totally roll up some dollar bills in here, some money and stuff. But how cute is that, guys? But I just wanted to jump on here and share a quick tutorial on how to put this together, because at first I was like, wait a minute, what is this supposed to look like? And so yeah, this is the 3D Kisses box. All right, don't forget, November the 12th is the day of Scrap Diva Designs November release. That's when it'll be available, but sneak peeks are starting November the 6th. So you guys are gonna see a lot of examples. And again, I'm gonna list my unboxing down below with my examples that I created in case you guys missed it, okay? And then, yeah, I'm not sure about this piece. I really think that it's like an alternative if you don't want to do the bow, or you can glue this on here and do the bow on top. Totally up to you. But I really like the way the little bow looks. I think it's really adorable. All right, so that's it for this video. Leave me a comment down below and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.